10 Ways you can restore events on Google Calendar. The world of technology has many functions and tools to make life easier for the average person. This article is about one of these functions: how to restore deleted events on Google Calendar. There are a number of methods that you can use in order to recover your deleted events. While trying as many as possible might help you find a shortcut that helps you quickly get back what was once there. A day in the life. How to restore lost events. The day was so hectic that I accidentally deleted all of my events from Google Calendar. While this might seem catastrophic, it's actually quite easy to fix. Just follow these steps to restore your events. 1. On the Gmail homepage, clear out your inbox and spam box. 2. Click on the Settings tab in the top right corner and scroll down until you see Events. 3. On this page, click on Permanently Delete Excess Entries. You're almost done. For now, click on Done, and reload the calendar by clicking on Calendar View in your account settings. 5. Make sure to save your changes by clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. 6. To back up your device, copy and paste these steps into an email and send them to yourself. Have some archive footage. Easily restore deleted events. Google Calendar is a great way to plan out your week. However, accidents do happen, and sometimes you might need a way to restore events that have been deleted from the calendar. One way of doing this is by having some archive footage on video. Another option would be taking screenshots of the events at different times where the checks will show the dates, if able to record them. Services that store your autocomplete history or text inbox. Services such as Google Suggest and Todoist allow for convenient and efficient actions. These services can be used to customize the autocomplete algorithms on Google Search and Gmail, or to view past conversations in the inbox and search through old messages. Deleted meeting on iOS/Android device. Restore with app and OneDrive files. If a meeting is deleted from your calendar and you don't have access to your Exchange settings for the app, emailing you can restore the deleted event by using just a few steps. First, open an email on your iOS or Android device with the event restored as attachments. Then, open another email on your phone with the attachment attached. Finally, save the file in OneDrive on your Microsoft account so it's accessible anywhere when you need it again. How do I get to the Journal section of my tasks/calendar on Outlook.com? The Journal is a summary of all your tasks for 5 projects, or one crazy long to-do list. If you want to view all your tasks and see them in overview, just click into each project and there you'll find the tasks and a detailed breakdown of the things you've been working on. Resources: how to set up Microsoft Outlook at Microsoft. Restore deleted online calendar with Microsoft Office 365. Probably the most common problem with Google products is forgetting to create or save a calendar event. If that ever happens, one can also restore it out of their Microsoft Office 365 online account when they accidentally delete it. Via G Suite blog. The restore workflows in Office 365 depend on the presence of a globally unique identifier GUID your calendars are assigned. When you delete an original calendar, it is automatically replaced with copies that inherit the same GUID. The lack of any data stored locally makes it easy to restore your calendar from online from Microsoft 365 without any writing or syncing of files. There are 2 steps required for this process. Use a browser synchronization tool to export copies. Convert an old ICS formal clothing event into an online buying event. There are a lot of formal clothes events that have been created as text within Google Calendar. Users can quickly create these entries, but the event description is already written and it's much more convenient to edit a text file than to write an event in Notepad or any other program. To convert an old ICS information card into an online buying form, you have to browse for the calendar entry by following this link: icsformalclothing@gmail.com. Paste explodecas at gmail.com/icsformalclothing04152017.ics. In the invitation section at the bottom of the screen, select Send Electronic Invites. Then send out invitations much in the same way you would if you were doing it through Google Calendar. The second step is to invite them to send us an IMS. Please use the following link: /ics/icsendformal04152017.ics. Download this file and save it in your ICS account. Then press Add this calendar as default button on its navigation panel. That's all! Your event will be scheduled in next 6 days under your ICS account. You can also log in and add or modify the information, but we recommend keep the same. Tips for sharing your restored event in Google Calendar with other users. Family members are planning a big family gathering for the weekend and you don't have time until Friday to organize a soccer team, gym membership, potluck meal or get-together. What do? One option is to send an email invitation to your family asking them to remember their RSVP by emailing you back. That way, when you finally do have time on Friday, you can share that event with all attendees in one fell swoop. However, email can be annoying and a little creepy, so today I recommend trying Google Calendar. You can share individual cycle reminders. https://www.google.com/calendar/ My example will use Google Calendar rather than Gmail as the interface is much better and supports multiple users sharing the same reminder email invite. Google allows you to add multiple links to an emailed reminder for each user. This is helpful for joint family events,